Need to send money abroad from your Schwab account? International wires are possible but require specific details and may incur fees. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You'll need to initiate a wire transfer from the Transfer and Payments section. You must have the recipient's full banking details, their name, address, bank name, SWIFT/BIC code, and international bank account number, IBAN. Be mindful of Schwab's outgoing wire fees and potential intermediary bank charges. Also, check the foreign exchange rate if converting currency. My crucial pro tip? Call Schwab for your first international wire. This process has little room for error. For your first time, call Schwab's client service. A representative can guide you through the form, confirm the details, and ensure it's set up correctly to avoid delays or lost funds. Send money across borders with confidence and accuracy. What's been your experience with international bank transfers? For more guides on global finance, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.